I want you to say a word because they gave you so much energy today when you came in to this crowd also, but the viewers all over the world, millions to watch you today. What can you say to them?
Bonjour à tous. The amount of energy. It's difficult for me to talk. I don't know. It's going to be the last time that I'm going to be here in front of all of you. Honestly, I am not 100% sure, but if it's last time, I enjoy it. The crowd have been amazing during the whole week of preparation done today. The feelings that I have today are difficult to describe in words, but for me it's so special.